Hey, we have another quick and easy tote that I'm going to be sharing with you, giving out the dimensions for you to make. This is called the Fat Quarter Tote, and it uses fat quarters created. Now, this size is a medium size of the three sizes that are in the pattern. I'm going to be giving out all the dimensions you need and all the instructions you need to be making the larger size of this one. And that one comes out about 17 by 17 by about 5. So a little bigger, holds a bit more. This is from one of my old patterns from back in 2008. And it's a real fun one. To make it, you're going to need 4 fat quarters for the main part of the bag. One will be the bottom, 2 will be the sides, and 1 will be cut in half to create the top. You're also going to need either a fifth fat quarter or a quarter of a yard that will be used for the binding. And then for the lining, you can either use a full yard or you can divide it up and do 4 colors to coordinate with your 4 fat quarters. Either one works just fine, whether you use 4 or 1. That's entirely up to you. But this is just a super fun, super easy tote that makes a great tote to be carrying stuff or as a gift. It's also got a cute, fun little detail down at the bottom. So if you got some cute little buttons, you can use those. But anyway, we've got this starting up here on both YouTube and over on TikTok. And the next step is already good to go. And you can go ahead and get started. Thanks a bunch.